coffee cup, sky high sky full of chatter. Morning sun whispers promises scattered. Old ragged book with tales torn and tattered. Silent stories told by faces worn and weathered. Steam rises slow, dreams lightly fading. Fingers tap rhythm to songs they're creating. Heartbeat syncopates, life invigorating. Tables hold secrets, emotions percolating. Sip the sunrise in a tiny cafe. Forget the world's rush, let worries drift away. In the home of life, where hearts gently sway, find your own peace, caffeinated ballet. Conversations swirl the walls imbalanced. Spilled cream puddles form abstracted talents. Eyes lock briefly, creating a silence. In crowded spaces, found simple alliance. Mornings turn noon, yet time takes no toll. Pressed flowers adorn porcelain bowls. Laughter lingers, sweetens every soul. Every sip taken makes moments whole. Sip the sunrise in a tiny cafe. Forget the world's rush, let worries drift